Hi there, I'm Mark with Roofing Pro Connect. Anyone knows that when it comes to roofing repair, time is not on your side, and looking for the right contractor can be a full-time job in and of itself. Most people just don't understand what their roofing issues are, which makes looking for the right contractor like trying to find a needle in a haystack. This can mean a time-consuming search, and even worse, the wrong choice in your roofing repair contractor, wasting your time, energy, and money. Roofing Pro Connect provides the information people need to understand what goes into a roofing repair project and how to make the best choice in a contractor. Boost your roofing repair knowledge with our free blog, articles, and videos created by trusted professionals that will turn you into an informed, confident consumer. With unbiased information regarding pricing, roofing products, and what to look for in a contractor, we want to empower people to not only understand their roofing issues, but know what questions to ask a potential contractor. Roofing Pro Connect adds a layer of transparency to roof contracting, so you can make a better decision, receive better service, and get the best value. Now, once you have the tools to make the right decision, Roofing Pro Connect helps you take the next step by connecting you with a certified quality professional in your area. And with the information you have from our site, you won't have to simply trust our recommendations. You'll know exactly what to ask to make sure you have the perfect contractor for your roofing needs. Roofing Pro Connect, empowering people with expert information.